Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian cooking channel. Today I will share with you two beautiful recipe of Roohafza. First recipe is Roohafza with tapioca pearl. I took 1 tablespoon tapioca pearl, pour little water above the 1 finger of tapioca pearl. Set aside for 2 hours until it absorbs the water. In the meantime, prepare watermelon. I took a medium size watermelon. Whenever you will choose watermelon, choose the watermelon with more greenish and round shape. It will be more sweet. Cut the tip and bottom and cut into half. Roughly divide the watermelon into 8 equal parts. I will use only 4 parts. Peel off the skin, separate the fleshy part. Pick up the seeds and cut into small pieces. Now turn on the heat, put a pan, add 1.5 glass milk. Over high heat, cook until it boils. Then reduce the heat, add 2 tablespoons sugar. Cook for 5 minutes, add 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder. Cook for 2 minutes. Stir continuously. Then add the soaked tapioca pearl. Over low heat, cook for minimum 3 to 4 minutes until the mixture is thickened. Turn off the heat. Pour into a larger mixing bowl. Allow it to completely cool. In a glass, add 1/4 glass Roohafza and 3/4 glass water. Mix it evenly. When the tapioca pearl milk is completely cool, add the mixture of Roohafza and cold water. Add the chopped watermelon. Serve this delicious and nutritious Roohafza drink. In a hot day, it's not only nutritious, it also fills your stomach full. Our second recipe is Roohafza with flattened rice and some roasted peanut. Turn on the heat, put a pan, add 2 tablespoons flattened rice. Shake the pan to roast it evenly. Roast until it crisp. Turn off the heat, add 2 tablespoons roasted peanut. Allow it to cool. After cooling, add in the grinder jar. Grind it into smooth powder. Turn on the heat, pour 3/4 glass water and 1/4 glass milk. Bring it to boil, then add previously prepared flattened rice powder. Mix it evenly over low heat. Cook for just 2 minutes. Don't make it thicken. Allow it to cool. Into a mixing bowl, pour 2 tablespoons Roohafza. Now put a strainer. Strain the mixture of milk, flattened rice and peanut. Stirring continuously, mix it evenly for 2 minutes. Add some sliced almond. Serve this refreshing cool drink. In a hot day, if you think my recipe is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.